Hi there, guys. So today we are going to be looking at 5-4F simplifying expressions, and we're going to look at it in a word problem. All right. And so this is order of operations. And so we need to go over this. So here we go. We have a problem. We're going to read it. Rebecca bought 8 air filters at a store, right? Each air filter costs $16.95. Rebecca used a coupon, okay, which is saving money, for $7.50 off of her total cost of air filters. The total cost in dollars that Rebecca paid for these 8 air filters can be represented by this expression right here. So we have open parenthesis 8 times $16.95, close parenthesis minus $7.50. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this acronym, which is PEMDAS. P is for parentheses and other grouping symbols such as brackets. M and D is multiplication and division, which are inverse operations of each other. So that's why we put it on the same level. And A and S represent addition and subtraction, which are also inverse operations. Okay, so we're going to use PEMDAS in order to solve this problem. So we have P for parentheses or grouping symbol. So that's going to come first. We're going to solve that part first. So we're going to take that $16.95, okay, times 8. Now notice I'm going to ignore that decimal right now, but at the very end, I will show you how and where to place it. So I have taught my students the Ethiopian method and the Chinese lattice method as well as the partial product box, but I'm going to choose the Chinese lattice method because when you're dealing with a number that has 4 digits or more, it's just easier for them, this method, this algorithm. Okay, so then I am going to multiply that 8 times every digit at the top. But first, I'm going to draw my diagonals through every 90-degree angle, okay, to give me my lattices, okay? So we have 8 times 5, which is 40. Now, what I want to do is take that digit in the tens place, put it in my upper triangle, and that 0, I'm going to bring it down here. Then 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 6 is 48. And then 8 times 1 is 8. So I'm going to put a 0 in the upper triangle and then my 8 down here. And now I'm going to change colors and add all of my lattices. So I see right here I just have a 0. So 0 plus nothing is 0. My next lattice, 4 plus 2, which is 6. 7 plus 8 is my next lattice, which is 15. I'm going to carry my 1 to my next lattice and bring my 5 down. Then 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 8 more is 13. Carry my 1 up and then bring my 3 down. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. All right. So if I look at the 1695, there were 2 digits to the right of the decimal total. So I'm going to swing my decimal twice in my product. So I have now $135.60. Now we can't forget about this last part. $7.50. We have to subtract that. So when we are subtracting decimals, it's essential that we align our decimals and our digits. Okay? And let's subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring my decimal. I'm going to bring that straight down into my difference. Okay? 5 minus 7, I can't do that. So I'm going to borrow from the 3. That becomes 2. And 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. Bring my 2 down and bring my 1 down. So how much did she pay? She paid $128.10. Okay, so our answer would be H. All right. Happy fundamental math.